Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number which is currently saved on your contact list, and after that I'll show you a different way which will allow you to block the number which is not saved. So let's start with opening the contact list. Just tap on it. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap. Now 2 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Add to Blocklist. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's simply tap on Add to Blocklist. And I hope I did it, because we did not have any kind of information. But as you can see, after tapping on the 2 dots icon again, we can see that we can right now remove it from the blacklist, so we can be sure that it has been applied. So let me leave it blocked, because we will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. And right now I'd like to move on to the second way of blocking the number through kind of the settings. So let's go to the phone section, tap on the 2 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block and filter. So here we've got the list of the calls and messages which has been blocked until this moment. However, let's move on. Let's tap on the 2 dots icon again to tap on set rules. And now we can actually enter the block list. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got our the number from the contact list which we've previously blocked, which also means of course that the previous option also works. So here we can also add the number. Simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, you can select the number, so I believe from the contact list, block by prefix, or enter the number manually. And right here you can enter it, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and tap on this tick icon right here. And as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Let me try to turn it off, remove it. So let's tap on the 2 dots icon and tap on Edit, and now we can mark the specific number and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty right now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.